Oh hey, what's up? Just opening up the shop here. So come on in, I'll show you what's going on. So you guys have seen in some previous vlogs, Andrew's been putting a lot of work on Dave's R32. All the charge piping's done for the intercooler and the wastegate dump. I think it's just a couple little finishing touches away from getting ready for a tune, which we'll show you guys later on. No, don't film that. Yeah, that car is, yeah, we're not talking about that car. Oh, the phone's ringing. The phone always rings here. It's actually the bane of my existence. The phone's constantly ringing. Platform garage.
Yeah, I like that.
Lee, we've got Lee in today. He's getting his Subaru aligned. I'm going to let him give you the rundown. There's a lot going on, a lot to talk about.
Yeah, I've been Bills for 10 years, and we've done everything from Vars wide body kit, IEG built block. Almost every component on here has been completely replaced. Whole interior has been completely customized. Tail lights, the headlights, whole suspension, wheels. It's just been something I've been working on for a long time, and just totally just my passion. So.
All right, so we got Joe's FC in. he actually towed it in with BCAA and told them that it didn't run. And he wasn't actually far off. It didn't seem to run very well. Ride height adjustment, setting the preload and the coilovers, adjusting the ride height all around and doing an alignment. And then probably clearancing his fenders a little bit. Not too much. We're not going to do anything gross like roll them or use a baseball bat or anything like that. But just pinch them nice and flat so the wheels clear a little better and get it running a little nicer, and then it'll be ready to go. I think we've got to weld in some exhaust bits too or something. Yeah, a little bit of exhaust work too. Ben's gonna show you how to professionally settle suspension.
Just a few bounces.
That's good.
Oh,
that's why it was so loud. There's no exhaust in it.
no, that's also why it runs like shit.
Oh.
Because there's multiple vacuum leaks right up here.
Oh yeah, lots of open
Because this piece runs up to it.
Plat fam. Hey, Plattington family. Good to see you again. Plat fam.
I like Platies because
Platies.
we could open up a bar and call it Platies. That's a really good bar name.
Comment below if you want us to open up a bar called Platies, or comment below if you would go to a bar called Platies, and then that'll kind of help us decide if we should open a bar called Platies. It'd be short for Plattington. So, yeah. Plattington, Platies. All you watching this out there, the Platies, thanks for watching. Okay, we're finishing up here. Ben's gonna finish up with Joe's FC, and I think all that's left is some. Hello? I think all that's left is some exhaust work and then a little bit of fender rolling. But yeah, other than that, that's it for today. Like and subscribe, comment below. Tell me what you think about Platies. I'm really interested to hear what you have to say about Platies and if it's a good idea or not. Yeah, noise while I'm trying to talk too is good. It's fun, makes for a good edit. Yeah, so yeah, get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck out of here, man.